Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you are new here, please hit the thumbs up button and I hope you will stay. But this is a very sensitive one and it is indeed painful and a sad story. You all remember Elvovo Durango. He is a very popular artist or musician in Mzansi. He gained his popularity in the early 2000s and all the way. He made good songs and of course he is a great performer. But then unfortunately, this life is so unpredictable. In 2022, Elvovo had a stroke, which affected him badly. And along artists that had a stroke almost the same year, but not exactly, it was Umampinja. And unfortunately, Mampinja passed away. May his soul rest in peace. And Mampinja and Elvovo Durango, they were of course a duo. They were working together with their career in music. Elvovo had the stroke, which hospitalized him for a very long time, and it affected his mobility. I can imagine you went to sleep knowing how to walk, and then out of the sudden you woke up and you can't. You are now struggling to move. That is indeed a sad thing that can ever happen to a person. He recently appeared on several interviews, and the manner of how he shared his story touched millions of South Africans. He was, of course, crying, and he was, of course, talking about how he lost everything and had to go back home to rebuild himself. I can't imagine anything worse than that to ever happen to someone who once had everything and then out of a sudden they wake up and they have lost. I agree more. I love a good comeback story, wishing him nothing but greater success and even bigger wins ahead, a tweet said. The road back is never easy, but every step forward matters. Elvovo Durango's journey is an inspiration to anyone rebuilding their life after adversity. A stroke changed everything for Elvovo Durango, but it could not steal his purpose. His comeback is a proof that hope survives even the darkest seasons. This is indeed touching, but we wish Mr. Elvovo Durango a speedy recovery. And of course, would love and appreciate to see him once more appearing on our screens and making music. That's it for today, so please leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.